2 Chronicles chapter 20 from verse 29 with NLT. When all the surrounding kingdoms heard that the Lord himself had fought against the enemies of Israel.
Wait. Abeze bazobatshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu usilwele. They heard that God fought the enemies of Israel. It was an experience. That experience, it was during the time of Moses. How God took them out of Egypt. How God delivered them from Egypt. Let's go.
When all the surrounding kingdoms heard that the Lord himself,
All the surrounding kingdoms, they heard. They heard. Ask your neighbor, ukuthi bazweni ngawe. Hayi ngawe ngoNkulunkulu wakho. Wena basezwa ngawe kuphela. Wena bakusabi wena. Uthanda ukuthi uyangazi mina uswile ngami mara ake bakusabe wena. Kuthi wena uwazi ukushaya. Abakusabi lo khona bashaya ngcono. Let's go.
when all the surrounding kingdoms heard that the Lord himself,
not the Israelites, the Lord himself. Meaning these people didn't hear about the Israelites. They personally heard that the Lord himself came down to fight for them. Came down to, because he said to Moses, I have heard the cries of my people. And he says, I've come down to deliver them. So it means it's people walking on earth. But in the spirit realm, it's God personally. It's not an experience that does not have God. It's God with Israelites. It's an experience full of events. Events of pain, slavery, being beaten. But God interprets it as a weapon to speak to the future. To speak to the, you might be going through something now, facing something now. God is speaking to demons that are going to try and trouble your children. You can be going through poverty now, but once you conquer it now, your future generation, poverty will know how God fought for you. Meaning it cannot come close to your children. There's already an experience that exists with God. Let's go.
When all the
Why would God permit a Christian to go through pain? And then sin. No. It's not about you. It's not about you. God is speaking to the future. Even in your death, the wars you fought will succeed. Even in your death, things you fought and conquered, they will speak for your generation. Let's go.
When all the surrounding kingdoms heard that the Lord himself had fought against the enemies of Israel.
The Lord himself, Israel. The Lord himself fought.
Had fought against the enemies of Israel. The fear of God came over them.
Hey, listen to this. The fear, it means the Israelites are going to fight. But already those people are in fear. They are in terror. They've not seen the Israelites physically. They are still coming. But already their enemies are living in fear because of what the Lord has done in Egypt. It's something that happened in the past. But they are journeying to the future. But in the future they need the experience which Moses had with God. How God fought for the Israelites. You get it? In the future. But in uNkulunkulu wayenza ngomos. Ikhuluma kuphambili. Bathukiwe. Abantu bahleli, cabanga abantu bahleli bathi angezi la. Yabona lo angezi la. Asimfunda kule office. Abasabi wena. They heard how God fought for you. They've heard how God took you out of a situation. Now they are already afraid, living in terror. awuyothusela lapha awuyobatshela ukuthi ungubani wena. There must be an experience.
Fanele kube nolwazi.
There must be an experience.
Fanele kube nolwazi.
Meaning you are not going there to apply your experience,
Kusho ukuthi awuyo lapha
but your experience
kodwa ulwazi
speaks
lakho liyakhuluma.
for itself.
Liyazikhulumela.
Awuyofika ukuthi mina ngiyazikhulumela. Repeat.
When all the surrounding kingdoms.
Now, Paul comes,
Paul, yes.
be careful what you do to me.
Siqaphelani ukuthi
For I
nenzani kimi.
bear on my body the
Ngoba
marks
ngiphethe
of Jesus
emzimbeni wami
Christ.
imivimbi yakaJesu Kristu.
Meaning there's an experience
Kusho ukuthi kunolwazi.
of pain on my body.
Le inhlungu emzimbeni
So
wami.
if you put me in pain, be careful. I already bear minds, signs of pain on my body. I've already went through something.
Sengivele ngidlule kokuthini.
So pastor ukuthi etan. Yabona akakhombi ivictory.
Awukhomba impumelelo.
Yabona abantu basejele kanjani? Labo babuye emajele. Bathanda ukukhomba yini amathathu. Yabona mina ngi26. Uyakhulumela njani lento leyo? Kushuthi kwabulala umuntu or wenzani? So ukuthusela ngani? Ngemark.
Power.
Nge26. Ukuthi ngi26 it means I can kill.
Kusho ukuthi ngiyabulala.
Wena awubona umesi ubona ini? Your pain
Inhlungu zakho.
speaks your journey.
Khuluma uhambo lwakho.
Your troubles
Inkinga zakho.
speaks for your journey.
Sikhulumela uhambo lwakho.
Now you go, you move forward.
Manje uyahamba uqhubekela phambili.
Uyababelwa. Awuyobatshela ukuthi bhekani ngenzani. Just look. Do you think ungaphunyuka wena uso? Oh. Do you think umuntu ongasurvive so wena? You're able to show them, look at my back. Do you think you can survive? Do you think you can come out looking like this? It means it's not compared to anyone's situation. No comparison. You look at the furnace which Nebuchadnezzar threw the 3 servants. Wena na ungabheka lo mlilo angeke ungene. Ungenze? It means nabayokutshela ukuthi kunabantu abangena la baphuma. Sowuthukiwe. Mhlobo njani abantu? So ebasaba. And uthini wena usaya kaMhlabeli ngani? Mara bathi kunomuntu ungenela waphuma. KaMhlabeli ngani abathina siyayenza lento. Already disangoma. Uyabona lo muntu ozengaye la. Uyingozi. Ngicela uphume le ntombini. Fear. Terror. Going before you.
Ukhambela phambili.
It's not you who must be afraid. It must be those who are trying to trouble you. It must be those who are trying to bewitch you. While they are busy trying to experiment the power that lives in you, the results must speak. Because you have an experience with God. So they will come to experiment the power. They will come to try the power. So let the power speak. Let the power speak to show that you are from somewhere. You have an experience with God. You can do anything to me. But be careful. Because I bear what? The stripes. Many Christians bayasaba. uNkulunkulu uvumela ukuthi ushajwe. Uyazi wenzani. Uvumela ukuthi ungene ezinkeni. Uyazi wenzani. Kunento ayikhomandayo in the future. Bekuyoba ipandemic kufamily. Bekuyoba ifamily pandemic. So every pandemic needs someone who will go in and say, ayiqale kimi iqala. Let it hit me. After it hits me, angeke sabuya le pandemic la. Yenzani? Iyaphela, iyaqina ngami. It means ayisana power yokuqhubeka nani ne generation to generation. You need that experience. You need those events. God needs your pain. God needs your scars. God needs your disappointment. God needs your failures. Because He said, I will not fail. I will not fail you. So He needs all those events gathered in one place in order to prosper you and speak for the future.